Sienna, walk to Violet. Violet, hold out your hand so she can walk to you. Say, come see me. Say, come see me. Good job, sweetie. Careful, careful.
Look at me.
Maggie, come here.
Look at me. Look at me.
Look at, oh yeah, okay. I think she wants to go see Papa.
She's coming to me too.
Violet wants you to go to her. Can you go to her? Oh, she's. Can she go inside? Yeah, there's some animals in there. Do you think maybe she wants one of them?
Yeah. I'm going inside. Let's go inside.
Oh, you okay?
I'm inside.
You're inside, I know.
I make a mess.
She said you can come on in, Sienna.
Help here.
Huh?
Help Sienna.
Help her, you think? Well, there's not a lot of room in there. It's pretty crowded.
There's some space.
Okay.
There's space right here.
You can make some space. Oh, I see.
There's space right here.
There's space right there, Sienna. Look, she cleaned it up for you. Get her! Walk her in. Don't hit her back. Don't hit her back. Do what you were doing before. Tickle her. Do what you're doing before. Yeah, do that. Careful. Yeah. Sienna's got you. She got you. Huh? Okay. Do you need help? That one's figured it out. Ian.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.